What's going on, guys? You're watching AppGeeker channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to transfer your beautiful photos from your iPhone to iPad in very quick ways. Actually, there are so many different ways to transfer your iPhone photos, but this is the quickest and easiest process if we're wondering how to do this between your iPhone and iPad. So, the first method here is to actually get iCloud photos enabled on both your iPhone and iPad. We're going to sync your iPhone photos with iCloud, so that you can access these photos from your iPad later. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, on your iPhone, we open Settings. Right here, you can see your name. Tap it and you can see this Apple ID page. Under the profile, this email account is the Apple ID. This is the one I used on my iPhone. Okay, now, on the iPad, we do the same. Settings, the name, and Apple ID screen. Here, make sure the two Apple accounts are identical. If they're using different ID, then the transfer won't take place. Okay, now, we choose iCloud on the iPhone. Here, you can see the iCloud storage, and how much you've used. You know, every Apple user has 5 GB of iCloud storage by default, so we can use this 5 GB to sync your iPhone photos to iPad. Just make sure there's enough cloud storage for the photos you're going to sync. Okay, here, you can easily find the Photos option. Tap it, and turn on iCloud Photos. This will automatically sync your iPhone photos to your iCloud storage. And on the iPad, repeat it to enable the iCloud Photos. And now, I just back to the home screen, and open the Photos app on my iPhone and iPad. You see this, all my iPhone photos are here on the iPad right now. Okay, you can see, totally identical pictures on both my iPhone and iPad. Easy, right? Well, some people might say that the default 5 GB of iCloud storage is not enough to transfer all the iPhone photos, or they're gonna say it's too slow sometimes. Yeah, that's true. The more photos you're syncing with iCloud, the slower it will be. So, what I'm going to do next is to tell you another quick way to sync all your iPhone photos to iPad with just a few clicks. To do this, we're going to get a third-party tool to build a connection between the iPhone and iPad so that you can copy your photos from iPhone to iPad in a straightforward way. Okay, now, I just use my computer, and go to appgeeker.com. I'll also put the download link in the video description below. Here, the products list. Then, phone transfer right here. Let's get it on my computer. It also supports Mac computer if you're wondering. Okay, now, open it. Here's the main interface. You should see different options at the top. Choose phone transfer over here. Now, you get more choices. Okay, to move the pictures from iPhone to iPad, we should go to the phone to phone part. It says to transfer data from one device to another, so we click it. Now, on the screen, two big phone icon, asking you to connect a source phone and a destination phone via USB. Okay, follow the instruction. I plug my iPhone into computer now, and a pop-up on my iPhone asking whether to trust this computer. Of course, tap trust. Then connect the iPad. Okay, it recognizes my devices now, and it's scanning the files on my iPhone. By the way, the flip button up here is for you to switch the source and target devices in case you connect the iPad first. Now, you see the content on my iPhone is in the middle box for me to select. Okay, since we're moving iPhone photos, I just tick the photos. You can choose other files, like contacts, messages, videos, anything else you want. And click the Start button. Then you'll see a progress bar on the screen. It's moving fast. When it goes to the end, all my iPhone photos are copied to my iPad. You see, the photos on my iPhone and the photos on my iPad, totally identical. And most important, it moves photos without losing image quality. For some large size images, iCloud may fail to sync. But with phone transfer, it's as easy as copy and paste. However, if you don't have a computer around but need to move the iPhone pictures to iPad right away, then AirDrop would also be a handy tool for you. Okay, first, I'm going to enable AirDrop on both devices. Simply swipe up from the home screen. You see Control Center box over here, and we find AirDrop. Press it for a moment, and make it receive files from everyone. On the iPad, we do the same. Now, place them together. Okay, here, I just open my iPhone photos, and choose a photo. You see below is a share icon. Just tap it. Okay, here, if you want to send multiple pictures at a time, just swipe right or left to pick what you want. Okay, Now, choose AirDrop from the sharing options. Your iPhone will detect and let you know the nearby AirDrop users. So here, I'm going to send pictures to my iPad, so I choose my iPad, and now it's ready to send. On the iPad, here's a pop-up messages, telling you that somebody AirDrop a file to you. I want to receive it, so tap accept. And that's all. The photos are on the iPad now. AirDrop is a really handy tool to share small files between Apple devices. Okay, that's the 3 top ways you can transfer your iPhone photos to your iPad instantly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful ideas.